Heyo, it's Louis, and I'm redubbing this video that I did over a year ago now, just because the music got taken down off it, and I thought, hey, I've been doing them like this, why not keep doing it like this? So this is my corduroy jacket with silk lining.
Shiny!
Shiny lining, see? Yeah, this was the first jacket I made. I'd made a shirt previously, and that was all. I kind of jumped straight into the deep end with this one, but I really enjoyed it. Hence why I made a second jacket, and I'm soon gonna make a third jacket actually, all similar in style. Yeah, this was a fun project. It took me ages, but that's because I was learning everything on the fly.
I got distracted by Van Helsing. It's a very tense scene. Oh my god!
Hell yeah, I still think that's funny. Yeah, there's a few mistakes with this. If you look here, the jacket pockets on the front, they don't have proper hemming on them. Yeah, with that inning, with the inner that we just went past, you can see there the shiny fabric is on the two chest pieces, but the back piece is actually backwards. I couldn't change this because I didn't know how. Oh wait, here I'm gonna fuck the zip up here. Yeah, I just wasn't sewing. That's what's happening here.
What the fuck?
Yeah, so I didn't know that if you were going to use silk, if you sew with too small of a stitching, it's impossible really to unpick it without ripping the fabric, so I had to leave it how it wasn't the end of the world. It just kind of pissed me off a little bit because I was originally going to go for a reversible jacket, which was, you know, it's pretty mental to go for your first try on a jacket. There's these little buns that I got. I really like these little buns. Going for a charity shop down the road, and yeah, just sew those on hand sewing. I hate hand sewing still to this day. And here it is with the shirt that I also made myself. The shirt is a bit messed up in a few spots, but yeah, it still looks okay. I didn't really like the pattern originally on that shirt, but my mom got it for me and sort of wanted me to try out of it, and ended up quite liking it. The embroidery on this I really like. There's the buttons again, and that's it. See ya!